So when you're doing these, whenever you have multiplication, which here is a multiplication, you change it to plus, and you give each one their log. And then whenever you have exponents, you put the exponent in the front. So this 4 goes in the front, 4 log base 7 of w, plus 1/3, because the cube root is 1/3, log base 7 of u. So that's how you expand that logarithm. Now number 3. So with division, that's the quotient rule, because quotient is division. That would be log base 4 of 12 to the 5th minus, anything downstairs is minus, log base 4 of 11 to the 4th, but these have exponents. The exponent goes in the front. 5 log base 4 of 12 minus 4 log base 4 of 11. The exponent goes in the front, and that would be your final answer for number 3. So if we look at this 2 downstairs, it's the same as having a 1/2 in front. So if I do this and just put a 1/2 in front, well, when you do that, that becomes log base 3 of u to the 1/2, because you give everybody their exponent, log base 3 to v to the 1/2, plus log base 3 of w to the 1/2. Well, 1/2, exponent of 1/2 is the same as square root. And plus reduces, condenses, condensing means we're making it smaller, to multiplication. So that now we go to 1 log base 3, and we have the square root of u, the square root of v, the square root of w, which I would write as log base 3 of the square root of u, v, w. All right, so first we'll deal with the exponent that's in the front, and that's going to be log base 7 of a to the 24 minus log base 7 of b to the 4, because the number in the front turns into an exponent, and minus turns into division. Now we go to 1 log, so log base 7, and the positive thing goes upstairs, a to the 24, and the negative thing goes downstairs, b to the 4th. And that is your condensed version.